Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your number on Gcash. Let's get started. First, open your Gcash app and log into your current account. Now, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then, tap on the name and mobile number at the top to access your account settings. Scroll down and tap on Update Account Information. This will show you instructions and redirect you to the Gcash Help Center. Then, after that, follow the steps listed to submit a request to change your mobile number. Gcash will likely ask for valid IDs, your old numbers, and the new number you want to use. Make sure that your Gcash account must be fully verified to request this change. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.